let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with back Corte. We continue with progressive link and we open Promenade position and we dance natural Promenade turn, continued by rock turn and open finish. Then open reverse turn first 3 steps and basic reverse turn in syncopated timing, followed by Fallaway reverse slip pivot and open reverse turn around the corner with lesser degree of turn. Very good. And now let's look once again, and this time we will focus on directions. So we take close hold and start with back Corte, moving down line of dance and finish diagonally to wall, progressive link, and from here we move diagonally to wall with natural Promenade turn, then a rock turn and open finish diagonally to center and then down line of dance. We continue with open reverse turn and basic reverse turn. Now follow a reverse slip pivot, we go into corner and from here open reverse turn with lesser amount of turn. We finish diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.